These are the long, straight and flat roads that I've been dreaming about for those first few weeks that I spent in the mountains. This morning I've been averaging about 16 or 17 miles per hour, which is absolute warp speed. Pretty much unthinkable for someone on a heavily loaded touring bike. And I just feel determined to take advantage of this really, because while the conditions are like this with the wind blowing from my back, I feel like I should really make hay while the sun shines. It is only a signpost, but it is another moment and marker to cherish, because this signifies my 5th state on this journey across the United States. Washington, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, and now Nebraska. Well, it has taken exactly a month for the silly green hat to appear, but the sun is very, very fierce out here, and temperatures in the afternoon are reaching 30 or 35 degrees centigrade, and I've had bad heat stroke before and I do not want to get to that situation again. And I do feel very exposed out here, to be honest. There is this immense heat coming down from the sky, but at the same time, the bluish black asphalt radiates all that heat back up at me. So it's time to wear this hat, long sleeves, lots of sunscreen, and try to stay as hydrated as possible. Having successfully got over the Rocky Mountains, perhaps some people could argue that this landscape is quite boring, but I actually love it. I love these changing undulations and seeing America unfold at this gentle pace. And I think it's really important to see this agricultural land like this, because, you know, for a country of 340 million people and then the 8 billion people around the world, it's these bread baskets, it's these vast agricultural lands that feed so many hungry mouths. And sometimes we can overlook those realities of the world that we live in. But by seeing it in the flesh, it really does give you a whole new perspective. It's just gone 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm up early because I've got another 100 miles or so to cycle today, deeper into Nebraska. And look at this incredible sunrise behind me. That is what I'm going to be cycling into.